We're going to explain how to reset your Jio Fiber router. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you're trying to achieve. 1. The first and most common method is a factory reset, which returns your router to its default settings. To do this, locate a small, usually recessed button on the back or side of your Jio Fiber router. It's often labeled Reset or has a similar symbol. Use a pen or paper clip to press and hold this button for about 10-15 seconds. You'll see the lights on your router flash, indicating the reset process is underway. Once the lights stop flashing, your router has been reset. You will then need to reconnect your router to your internet connection and set it up again using the Jio Fiber app or your web browser. 2. If you're only having trouble connecting to the internet or experiencing slow speeds, try simply power cycling your router. This means unplugging the power adapter from the router, waiting for about 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. 3. If you're experiencing problems with specific settings or have forgotten your Wi-Fi password, you might need to access the router's administration interface. This is usually done by typing 192.168.1.1 or sometimes 192.168.081 into your web browser's address bar. You'll then need to log in with the router's default username and password, often found on a sticker on the router itself. Once logged in, you can change various settings, but be careful, as incorrect changes can affect your internet connection. If you're unsure about any of these settings, it's best to leave them at their default values or contact Jio Fiber support. Chapter 4. If you encounter problems accessing the router's administration interface, check your network connection and make sure your computer or device is connected to the router's Wi-Fi or via Ethernet cable. Also, ensure you're typing the correct IP address into your browser. If you've tried all of these steps and are still having problems, it's always a good idea to contact Jio Fiber customer support for assistance. They can troubleshoot more complex issues and provide personalized guidance. Remember to keep your router's default login credentials safe in case you need to access the settings again. Finally, keep in mind that performing a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, so make sure to note down any important configurations before doing so.